Okay, guys, I have finally got it out the oven. It looks so good. Let me add me some sour cream. And we done. We lit. Y'all thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Share this video if you would like. Side note, I would like to give a shout out to hashtag the Cannons, because every time they cook, they food be looking scrumptious, scrumptious, scrumptious. We normally watch it on our TV. And of course, I seen the Mexican pizza he did a few days ago, and I had to try it for me and my family. So I got a few of them in the oven already. So shout out to hashtag the Cannons. Y'all doing y'all thing. Peace. Okay, y'all, baby, finna get ready to cook it.
Smoke.
It's smoking. AJ, come on now with that cookbook. We waiting on that cookbook, AJ. I know I should have cut my little cilantro and green onions up smaller, but Mariana was helping me do it, so it's a little inconsistent on the size of the cut, but it's all going down the same. You read me?
Finna try to give you a little size view, a little preview of what's going on.
Look at that, child. Look at that. Go on, hashtag the Cannons. Grow, baby, grow.
As I say, the cans had come with a real one when they made this one. Shots out, shots out.
Shit, what you said. But like I said, shout out to y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all don't see us coming as much because we watch it from TV, like I said. So it is what it is. Just know we looking. We watching y'all. Come on out with that cookbook, AJ. That's the end of this video, y'all. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace. Y'all, I just took that little small bite right there. This thing busting. 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 Oh, I gotta get the other ones out the oven. Bye, y'all. 10-10. Must try again.